Hello, and welcome to this MBL webinar on anti-money laundering for law firms, an update as at summer 2024. My name is Trevor Hellawell, and I am a solicitor, though I have spent the bulk of my professional career on the training and consultancy circuit, talking about a wide range of topics to a wide range of audiences for a very large number of years. But I've been talking specifically about anti-money laundering law, practice, and procedure since 2003. And there has been a lot of activity recently over anti-money laundering systems and procedures, as of course I'm sure we all know. Obviously, the Russian invasion of Ukraine, the recent unpleasantness in the Middle East, the Houthi rebels attacking the Red Sea fleets, and all kinds of other things, inflation, gas prices, and so else, has ramped up the atmosphere of paranoia, I don't think is too short a way of putting it, in the regulatory framework. So there's a lot of stuff going on at the moment, and now's as good a time to update ourselves as possible. And of course, the point is that our role is that we are, of course, a prime target for the scamsters, fraudsters, and the criminal fraternity. And they suggest that the problem is escalating from £50 billion in 2022 in excess of £150 billion in 2024. I have seen some estimates which put it at £350 billion, which is a jaw-dropping amount of money. And of course, it's our professionalism that creates a gloss of respectability and confers on illegal money movements that veneer of respectability. And of course, we are professional gatekeepers. There has been a lot of discussion about what our role is as gatekeepers, but it's almost as if we need to be asking the client certain questions before we let them in. It's almost like being a bouncer at the nightclub. You're not coming in that shirt. Put some decent shoes on, will you, and come back. And that topic, I think, is underpinning the regulatory approach. We're gatekeepers, and we shouldn't be allowing access to our valuable professional services unless and until we're happy that the client is who they claim to be, their wealth is properly explained and appears to be logical, and the source of any funds that we are actually handling has been properly ascertained. Once those questions have been answered and there's nothing suspicious, come on in, of course. That is what we want to be doing. We want to be offering our legal services to the general public, but there is a gatekeeping function that we all must perform. And of course, whenever I talk about money laundering, I really mean the financial crimes about which any of us could be held guilty and liable. This is a list of the things which I think we all need to be vigilant about every waking moment of every working day. Money laundering is at the top of the list. And